Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unpublish your site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Wix. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have my sites where you have all of your websites which you can choose from. We have the setup home, we have the settings, CMS, we have the design site, and at the end the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and unpublish your website on Wix. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, go to the top left corner and choose a site that you would like to go and use. Then when you have your site, when you're on the website, when you logged in and selected the website that you want to unpublish, go to settings, found on the left panel option, and select website settings. So you have them here in the top left corner, and you just then need to go and click on website settings. After you click there, then you need to click on just the unpublish in the publish status section. And then click unpublish again to confirm the action that you have just done, and your website will be unpublished. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you the next one on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.